Good evening, ma'am. My name is Brandon Hadlocon, S1C-1. So the first item that I choose is this all-shaped predominantly brown scale, likely made of metal and plastic. An analog dial market from 0 to 20 kilograms and includes a bottom hook and top handle, having been used in 9 years. It exhibits expected wear and tear such as potential scratches, paint fading, and possible discoloration, which contribute to its vintage aesthetic, while its accuracy may have slightly decreased over time depending on usage and storage. The scale remains a durable and charming piece, reflecting its history of use. And the second item that I choose is this 5-year-old red hand fan. Features a floral pattern on its fabric, which is stretches between light color wooden struts. The fan structure is held together by a small rivet at the base, showing some wear consistent with its age and use. The fabric retains its vibrant red. True slight fading may be visible upon closer inspection, marking the passage of the time and use. So that's all. Thank you.